Hi, this is Beeman Floyd with the Texas Coalition for Affordable Insurance Solutions. And we're here today to talk to you about distracted driving. Wait a second. Before we get any further into this, let me pull over. And here we are. All right. I think as everybody has become aware recently, distracted driving is one of the biggest problems that we have on America's roadways and on our roadways in Texas. Thousands of accidents every year are attributed to distracted driving. That's people talking on cell phones, people eating food, dealing with electronic devices that are actually mounted inside their cars. All of these things combine to make our roadways pretty distracted and in some cases really dangerous. Here at TCAIS, we are really serious about bringing distracted driving to the attention of the public and trying to reduce distracted driving through both education and through policy initiatives with the Texas legislature. Since 2009, 90 Texas cities have adopted distracted driving ordinances in recognition of this problem. In the last legislative session, Texas became the 47th state to adopt a texting while driving ban. So virtually the entire country now is covered with a texting while driving ban, with very, very few exceptions. Here's what we know. That when you're texting while driving, when you're using a handheld device in the car, it is essentially equivalent to being a drunk driver. We know that many Texas families have been seriously and tragically affected by distracted driving. And we know that just because we've passed a law does not mean that people have stopped using their phones on the road. All you have to do is look around. As we've been sitting here talking, I am certain that many of the people who have passed us in their cars have been using handheld devices. What we're trying to do is change the law and create penalties and create awareness through a change in the law. What we really need to do is change the culture. We need to constantly be aware of the dangers of distracted driving and constantly be putting energy into combating distracted driving, of getting people culturally to put down their electronic device, to pull over if they're going to be using an electronic device like we are now, and to pay attention to the road instead of anything else in their environment. Let me be perfectly clear. Wireless devices are not the only issue with distracted driving. This can be distracted driving. This can be distracted driving. The electronics inside your car that are mounted in your car can be distracting. We've heard every kind of story about food or personal hygiene or other things that have happened inside of cars that have led to accidents or near misses. We'd like everybody to join us in helping to get people to pay attention to the road to the exclusion of everything else when they're behind the wheel. We're hopeful that this message gets out. We know we join lots and lots of other people. We would encourage you to pay attention to the road and to pay attention to the education on distracted driving and to spread the word to people that you know. Make it so that distracted driving becomes like drunk driving became, which is turning from something that people laughed about or laughed off into something that people understood to be a real cause for concern and a real potential tragedy. Thank you so much. We'll be coming to you with more information on more topics. If you'd like more information on this topic, please visit tcais.org. That is TCAIS.org. That's our website. It has plenty of information about this and other issues. Thanks, and see you soon.